In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a LinkedIn profile ID. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you like best. Once you have it open, navigate to the official LinkedIn website by typing in the URL. After the page loads, enter your credentials, which typically include your email address and password. Make sure you enter this information correctly to access your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. At the top of the page, you'll find your profile icon. This often appears as your profile picture or as a placeholder image. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says View Profile. This action takes you directly to your LinkedIn profile, where you can see all about your professional experience, skills, and connections. Now that you're on your LinkedIn profile page, we can move on to locating your unique profile ID. To do this, simply look at the address bar of your browser. This is where you'll see the URL of your profile. At the end of this URL, you'll notice a series of text and numbers. This specific combination is your LinkedIn username or profile ID. It's important to recognize that this ID can be particularly useful if you want to share your profile with others or if you need to log in from different platforms. Simply remember or copy this string of characters, and you'll always have quick access to your profile. If you followed these steps correctly, you should now know exactly how to check your LinkedIn profile ID. Remember that this ID is unique to you, which helps others find your professional profile easier amidst millions of other users on the platform. If you need to revisit these instructions, don't hesitate to replay this portion of the video. Making note of your LinkedIn ID can also help facilitate networking opportunities as you connect with others in your field. Ensuring ease of access to your profile is vital when building your professional brand. That's it for today's tutorial on how to check a LinkedIn profile ID. Thank you for watching. And if you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video for more useful tips like this in the future. Happy networking!